Watching a man, it's a boy, coloring book, and me I represent for True World TV. Welcome back to a brand new movie, and see a movie in name Justice for my daughter. But anyway, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to make a friend, tell a friend, and big up all of my fans, them local and international, and also me I represent for Black Hyena Clothing. I know say you are Bronx, New York in America that remember them have a bad beats them like shirt, pants, hat, jacket, sneakers. Remember everything where you need them have. And remember the contact number is 718-813-5792. Remember, one coloring book I represent for Black Hyena Clothing, Rome, New York, Bronx in America. True World TV to the world, local and international. Big up all of my fans, them Rome.
Justice for my daughter. A lot of dangerous. Get one Brian let Alex Figo do wrong the mother. Always give them right, all when them wrong. But Omar need justice for his daughter. Auntie Chelsea need justice for her needs. Alexia, good youth, but Brian is not a good company. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Justice for my daughter.
Brianna, what happened to your book? Study, what happened?
Me study already, Daddy.
You study already? So you take break?
TikTok me up and I watch.
You want me to say no? Study phone. No, sorry. Study book. You understand?
Study.
Break book. You understand?
Yes,
Me not too like the phone thing. One more thing. When last you call your auntie? Chelsea.
Me could tell Daddy, me come with Auntie Chelsea sometime.
What you say a while ago? I'm a matter of fact, I like when I'm bright, you know, but I don't like when I get too bright. Don't bright. When I leave, call your auntie and say hi. Because your only family where you have are me and your auntie and yourself. And Jesus Christ, and sometimes I'm busy. You understand what I say?
Yes, Daddy.
So me talk to you and you up your face. Get up man. Get up, man.
Sorry, Daddy.
This is what I say now. I don't like rush, you know. But you see sometimes just like how you're going through the police force and the soldier force. If you come a good policeman or a good soldier, you have to get rushed. So that me I do right now. You're done bright already. We just want to upgrade you to the street. Oh, you hear so? What you hear and something, man?
No, they go outside and maybe dust.
Alright, just avoid outside the dust then. And I go to work now, you know. I don't know my shift set yet. So, as I say, lock up the window them, because you look over there. I go call the auntie for you, call you and make sure you call him before you call him. You understand?
Yes, Daddy.
Much love later on.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah.
Well, Daddy, which for your firearm?
Oh, the firearm in my bag, man. You know already, so I don't like to have firearm. I make you see firearm. If you want to see firearm, when you get big doctor, nurse, police, soldier, whatever you want to turn in a life, it's up to you. But right now, I don't want you get bracelet today. I just say book. Big up yourself. Give me a high five. L-O-V-E. Love.
Love you.
Get a here.
Yes, Daddy.
One more thing. Belly man party left them little later. Man can't stay far away. Education here.
Yes, Daddy.
Man later. You understand?
Yes, Daddy.
Boom. Later.
Alright, Daddy.
And when we say later, alright. Love my daughter, you know.
So, look at boy, me ask you one question.
Yes, mommy.
Me dey hear one argument in the street. Think, say your back's done, woman done worry. Which woman your back's done?
Mommy, who come and tell her that? You really believe say me woulda do that? You're mad, mommy, man.
Oh, come in know my son and an idiot. Me know like them a tell for you know, but me just want to ask you. And you see anybody me here with you again, I go pick na there, I give them cocoa bay. Cause me don't know them a walk and call up my pick them name final. Just watch. Me don't want them a call the name.
I could have really tell her that, mommy. Who's so bright and brave enough?
You know, and nobody come to me specifically. I hear it. You see, and you know who? Me know me and them and things on there.
Mommy, you know me not do them something.
By the way, where Alex him gone?
Oh, you know, say, him gone over in woman yard to come back.
Oh, woman yard.
Go and check in woman.
Brian, I if I go in night, I'm going to deal with something, but I'm tired. I can't reach on there right now. So I won't go eat tonight.
Why me even know, you know, mommy, if I tell you the truth, you know?
Right now, I'm going to go lie down and hold on me tired right now.
So you don't bother going night out?
No, when Alex come on and figure out what I'm going to eat. And let me tell you something. Why you stay away from them people there? Yeah, because you know me no ramp when come on to you or Alex. Me a mad woman. And me links them. Me make somebody do them sitting on the road. Oh.
Mommy, me not do nothing like that when nobody come to you and say, mommy. No, me not
You just, me know you're not doing it. Me know. That's it. Me say, all if me not see you, me know you're not doing it. Because me grow my pit them good. Me know how to stay. And Alex is my next one. For when me here say I have this girl I talk to. How I know me can't meet her or anything?
Mommy, to be honest, about 4 months now, Alex a chat to that woman they find out. And I know she no fly that the pin there, you know, and give him a bomb, you know.
Well,
you can't imagine
then
that.
Then talk about Alex want to do with it.
Mommy, I know what I mean.
Me don't know what
you
you're
not
talking
just
about.
bring it raw to you, because you birth me and you push me out, you're my mother, so me now bring certain slack
Listen to me,
you
you know, say you can't say anything to me. I'm as I say, I'm a birth you. Say anything you want.
Woman, Alex, woman now give him no sex.
Oh, think me easy. Brian, me well I know say your backs on you have it true. Me know say your backs are done. When it's true because you're my pitney, me take up fear in anything you do. You want Alex a film me. If you could joke out take a black out of somebody's eye, I know you do it because you want film me.
Never did one just tell us something. But
me know your backs are done, man. So
girl too bright, mommy.
You should have tip in her face.
Come on, come insult me in front of crowd. Now I make like town than a Burger King. How she fit do that?
You know, backs are good.
Lucky me.
None of them can ramp with you know. Okay, you know me have my top dogs them about me already. Oh, me I come go in this go lie down a little bit. As me say when Alex come and figure out what I go eat.
Alright, mommy, take care. Go and drink some of my rum and catch our vibes and all.
Yes, that me I tell her, bro. Yes, no man. Yes, me go over me in a minute or two. You can come drop off it. Yes.
Oh, yes, sis.
Alright, cool. Alright, look at
What?
big brother.
Oh, bro. There, man.
Where you kept so nice, son?
Well, you know, car still the garage and everything.
That go for out to come see her walk.
So, you know, me have to go and step it. Sometimes I call me squad them before with me, and sometimes I want to walk and lose a couple pounds and lose some belly. But, you know.
I don't like when you walk on the road, you know. When I go on the walk, I don't like when you walk on the road, you know,
I'm glad, you know, I kind of like that. But sometimes I walk in the community, I get to raise with the youth them for 1 minute and tell them, say, put down the gun, you know, more focus in a school.
Yeah.
Then you want scam and don't buy no gonna analyze nobody. You know, I talk to them, it kind of make a sense like me in the community. Not only as a police, but as somebody who they appreciate, you know?
Well, as me say, you're part of the community, so I can't take that from you. They don't call it scam, you know. They don't call it scam, they call it, what they say they call it donation. Anyway, me just say, I don't like when you walk, when you go up and you walk. Call him, you come pick up your money.
Well, I know me alone walk, you know.
I know you're alone.
No, me have Jesus Christ.
Alright,
are you see it
are you on God?
So what?
You know, easy.
Where you come
Nothing.
from?
You know, say right after me talk to shelter his son. I go over here and go deal with something. And me want to see my niece.
You know, so me just gonna talk to you about her. You know, say she good book. Look while me see her on TikTok, but she say she just take a 1 minute break. So me I tell her, say 1 minute break, book, and when she tired, book, and when she not tired, book.
No boyfriend.
No boyfriend. The only boyfriend in here right now, me and you and Jesus Christ.
And him book and him pen and pencil too.
Yeah, and she said she go call you too. Cause she said a long time she don't really talk to you. And one more thing, as me say, me don't know my shift stay. So if you're not tired, or you're not too tired, or you're not too busy, just get hype on her film.
I'm never
please.
Too tired or too busy, my brother. I'm go get her a check.
Yeah, man.
I can't do that. Me know me can't do that.
No, you know, if you just rest first, man. You understand? And if you wake up, come, I will call her. And sometimes when me not up on patrol down this side, like anyone of my squad them up on patrol down this side, I tell them so if you check on her.
Okay, so she
But
by
as
your
a
house?
yeah.
By herself?
Yeah, she did all alone, man. She good like that, man.
Well, a big girl, you can't take care of
Yeah,
herself.
but yeah,
you still have
me
to
I go
look
on
out
the
how you
work
ball
now,
for them.
cause show, you know, me now have no drive. Me have to move fast.
Alright, brother.
And I'm much love.
But
You see
you be
me?
careful on the road, you know.
Oh, God,
Watch
man.
your head back, you know. Remember, say me tell you, no, brother, watch your head back.
Head back.
All
Good,
time.
man. You see your head
Never
back, yeah?
drop your guard.
You good.
You drop your guard.
Much
No.
love. Here, look more.
Take care
Yeah,
of
man.
yourself.
You take
Love
care of
you, yeah?
yourself. Here.
Yes, man. Me
All
try
right,
do
boom.
that.
Room, hear that?
Alright, respect.
Alright.
Gotta go with you. You hear me,
Yeah,
brother?
sis. Yes, sis.
Alright, look more.
Why you stay so far from me? You're just shy. Come over a little bit, man. Don't do that, man. You know you're shy, man. So what's up now?
Nothing.
So, like your father gonna work and everything, you're sure your auntie now will come over here?
No. She know that he gonna work, so she now will come over here.
So do you think that it's time for we to SEX? Full time no, a long time I move.
Me not think of time.
Why?
Me not ready.
But you always have to me saying already a long time now, you know, it's like me think me I wait around maybe 3 months now, so long. I think me I wait around maybe 3 or 2
Yeah,
months now.
3 months to be exact.
A long time me I wait there and I think me deserve.
Alright, listen, I don't like me no want to do it, but I'm just not ready at the moment.
And me understand what you're saying, and that's why me not force it, I have to go with what you're saying, what me I say. At 3 months now, and you see, naturally, when you want a woman don't have sex, and you have it say, it's just talking. So me would say we have a serious relationship at the moment until we start sex work.
So you tell me say, if we not have sex, that means say we not serious?
No, we in our relationship, you know, but anytime we start that now, like, you well serious. But I feel like I can't just do something nobody never have to know about it. Your father gone, your auntie now come over, you can do something quick. Your first time, can't take my time.
As
Why
much
did I
as
ever
all
leave
that.
you? You know, say me if you're whining it. Why can't be like, just think about it, you know?
Alright, listen what me I say. Alex.
Yeah.
As much as all it's so nice, me not think I'm ready, but I can think about it.
Well, I feel good. You know why I feel good? Because normally you tell me say you're not ready. And if you say no, you tell me say you think about it. Like, I feel much better.
I don't think about it for real.
Okay, no problem then. Like how that then now I'm gonna hold up around time then if you make your auntie come over here or nothing then. And just come back over then and me there long enough for you. Me there might be around half hour now.
Exactly.
And you know say eyes and ears everywhere, I don't want nobody seeing.
I know from my father say sometimes you will just show up spending lunch break or something.
If you dey call her when I reach home.
Alright, do that.
Yeah, that.
Alright.
And remember, think about it.
May I think about it, man?
Bro.
Where are you with, bro?
How you touch go now?
No, say up on the road, me I go.
Mommy, they say she go up on the road and go get something up on the road. Mommy gone or she still over there?
No, man, she over there, be there to get ready.
Yo, you know me just remember as me see you.
Where you remember?
Me see a box to one girl that day down the road, you know. But when me go ask mommy, I say nothing no go so. So
Yo,
me go so.
The girl that try insult me in a club.
So you go so for you?
Box, what you mean?
So mommy say nothing no go so.
You don't know say anything what we tell mommy. Mommy have to believe we.
That's true, you know, but you know, so if you tell her the truth, I same thing me hear people them down the road that say anything where we do, mommy always a back way. And the people must say you box down your girl and deal with her
Then,
wicked youth.
My brother, a girl can insult you in front of a crowd and you know box it on.
Well, if you tell her the truth, she'll be not set like rain and I'm not put myself in a problem. But anyways, guess what happened?
What happened?
Just have come from over my girlfriend yard.
Tell me say you're sexy now. Tell me say you're sexy.
No, I'm not do it. You know. You still a move shy youth.
Yo, Alex, you know say, you know my brother. And you can't be my brother.
What you say now?
You move like a some fool youth. 3 months now and add.
Yo, take time for that, man.
Brother, 3 months now and add. And you know sexy girl. You know how much girl they could have sex off within 3 month time.
I mean, no, a whole heap of girl that sex off in a 3 month time, you know.
Whole heap you call it. Enough you fi say. You see all I want in my back some.
Yeah.
You know the amount of time I pluck that. I just a pluck here, pluck. You know when I pluck chicken.
I say you pluck and then you
So,
go back, sit down. You see?
you must.
If you behave yourself,
I think you're better ramp, but you're a fool, Alex.
bro, listen up. That's what me I say. Can you not hear me I say? You just start a jump and a talk phone. Listen
Alright,
me I
talk.
say. Me and Brianna reason and me a reason with her. And me I tell her, I say, Brianna, think about it. A 3 month you have me a whole lot. You see me? And I show me rate you make me a whole lot. Cause you know say, me is just a good youth. You see me? Me not really fussing either. And me I tell her, I say, yo, me feel like a time and say, she think about it. So me just a wait.
Boy,
if you link me.
You know say I'm big idiot.
What you mean to me I want big idiot?
You know feel say a time now for change your eye.
Hold on. Watch out. Speaking. Brianna call me. Yes, baby, what's up?
What's up? Dear man.
Where say I going now?
You know, say, I kind of think about where you do that to me.
Seriously?
Yeah, but me,
So quick?
yeah, me really love you and I'm the one.
Oh my god, I love you too, baby.
What more ask to do?
Anything, baby, ask me.
If you did, you never did too rough.
No, baby, I must say, I that tell you and I said to you when me did over there too long, me I tell her say, me I take my time with you because I know I say your first time.
And then I'm going to get pregnant because
No, man, nothing like that, baby, man, nothing like that. Me saw that police, you know? No, man, me not gonna do that, baby. We can use protection. Or if anything, I know when to pull out. And you know I love you, baby. You think about it quick though, because I just left over there and say you think about it. You never know say that call me and tell me say you're ready. So when it can happen now or tomorrow, when?
Maybe it can happen now because my father still there work. And my father there work and my auntie now come over here right now.
So if you forward right now, forward back right now. Baby, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Forward now.
No, here work. Forward is half an hour for now.
Alright then, no, make sure you not change your mind, you know.
Do not change my mind.
Alright then,
Yeah,
baby.
time, half an hour time, yeah?
Alright now, baby.
Alright.
Yes, baby. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
You are my brother! Yo, are you are my brother? No, you know, Alex.
I
Oi.
mean, man,
Yo,
nobody takes a no,
you're
man.
my
Yo.
little brother. But, Alex, let me tell you something. I mean, you clap that, you know.
Where the fella go?
Me, you clap Brianna.
Talk good.
Me, you clap Brianna.
Brother, you come like you must be mad. You really are going to say that to me?
Remember, say we are gangster in the streets, no. You got them love them way they went all
Yeah,
two man a clap
Brianna.
that.
No, brother, nothing like that, man. That are your woman them, not Brianna.
Bro, remember me in the streets before, you know.
Me know
Woman them like you. You didn't know say woman like you. Raw dog.
some of them.
With some look brother, remember say you just a grew up, you know, bro.
Alright, me a listen what you say.
You see I like the girl with my back some, bro.
Yeah.
And me and two of me dog them knocky.
For real?
Three and we not that. One after one. Run in, run out.
And them something you deal with, brother?
Bro, and that your woman are gonna like. I better say if you do that right now, you alright, wait. I go for your drink. Cause me did that drink something, you know. Now make you have a drink and think about it, big brother. Look, brother.
What brother could have really have said to me now? Or tell me, say, I'm me and him for not Brianna. Come on. No, sir. I know me can't.
Bro.
Can't really add up what him said. That can't happen. What?
Look, brother.
No, brother, you know, me not too fool
bro,
around
listen,
drink them,
listen.
man.
Remember, say I your big brother there, so you know. We have same mother, same father, bro. Me nah make you go no wrong road, bro. Me a teach you the right. You see them here? Them a boots you. If make you go all 3 hours, bro.
For real?
You think no girl want no 3 minutes?
So
Girl
that's
want
why, you know,
3
hold on,
hours.
brother. You know, so we tell you the truth. when me no drink them there, you know, say I pay 15 minutes and sometime all 1 minute me pop off, you know.
Alright. Look, Pani, so what is that?
Energy drink.
Alright, that get energy if you go along. How what is say?
Rain Neville.
What is?
White
You ever hear about white liver?
Okay.
Alright.
Alright then.
Take a drink.
I deal with it then, man. You know, say I bigger brother. You know, say sometimes you talk.
I know teach you no wrong.
Yeah, man, I know you talk and me
Throw out a drink.
ever listen to you, see it?
And as a little brother, your drink supposed to be stronger than mine. Because you see through your little one. Yeah, your drink.
My drink good, man.
That have a drink.
So put look more chase up on you know.
A white bigger one?
Yeah, a bigger one, bro. But put look more chase up on you know.
Man, drink you, I'm saying, have to catch your vibes.
Alright.
You talk about you want more chaser. Drink that, bro.
Brother, they want that strong, man.
You know more strong. My energy drink. You know want boots up for your girl and if you can kill your girl and for your horse, bro, you're the party. Drink up, boy, drink up. Drink more, drink more.
I want a bad brother, man.
Drink up. Look, brother, you're good.
I'm good, man. I'm strong, man.
You're good.
I'm good.
How much finger this?
I'm leaving right now, brother.
Good boy, good boy. Good school of pass to go, you know. How much finger this?
1, 2, 3. 1, 3. Sherry finger. And me and ya clappy. And me and ya go knock her. Knock it gently, knock it.
Well, so me and ya go knock it?
What you mean? Raw dog, me and knock it.
You sure?
What you mean if me sure?
Look, brother, how much finger this?
4 finger that. You don't hear me say? And she can't tell me about me if it take time. I stab her out like me now. No, sorry for fear. What me say? You ready?
Me if you ask if you ready. You ready? Come on.
But hold on, brother. Just don't want to get in on a problem, you know. And what's our father, police, you know.
Boy, come on, you idiot. No, she call you over. Come on, I'm here, you're not that.
You sure this good, though?
Me say, come on. Listen to your big brother.
Alright.
Come on.
I'm getting on a problem, you know, you. Sure.
Yo, who look at stress, man? Come on, man. Yo. Bro, you forgot say I man, bro.
See who's man, who's.
How much finger this?
I'm 3.
Oh, me tell her say you are the boss. You are the boss, you know.
Take time to hold on, you know, so I want to hear it. What that for, brother?
What you mean what that for?
What you do with
Well,
knife?
I'm here the bigger brother or you are the bigger brother?
Yeah, bigger brother.
Who all this?
Brother, I know me I do with this.
Let me tell her this. I say if plan A no work, plan B have to work.
Brother, me never
Hold
know
on
say
for
that I
that.
have one gun.
What you mean?
So, me fit just walk in with this, sir.
Just hide it. Put it in your bag or somewhere and hide it. I'm going to tell her this.
So all along me I chat out this and you drink with me and message about you.
Take time, talk loud. Let me tell her this. You go in there. You go take time, lock your door. Do like you lock your door and take time. But make sure say you left it. You say if you all feel me little brother.
Me not feel, brother, me not feel.
You go shot you know.
Seriously?
I tell mommy say a robbery you know and you get shot you know. Remember say anything mommy tell mommy you know. Mommy believe you know.
Alright, Brian, anything you feel like, me will deal with it for
Don't
real.
feel me. Remember say a battery girl you know.
Like remote battery.
Boy, I idiot, I'm a box in your face. What kind of remote battery?
Sorry, sure that the battery there alone, me know about, brother. I must say, yeah, tell me what to do, you have to explain to me better. You know?
Alright, in 2 hours we go sexy.
Oh, so you mean, yeah, man, that me did tell her, bro. And me and you knocky, man.
Alright.
Come on, bro. Just
Go on. Me out
Me-
of
alright.
the show you do the right, bro.
yeah, man, me take off our crowd and do that, man. Me do it. You sure me I do right, brother? Me no want to get in no trouble, you know. Our father police, you know. Brother, father police.
Police alone, you think they have gun. Just think again.
Alright, brother, sure you tell me so this is the right thing, me I do it, you know.
What you want? You want a knife or you want a gun?
No, I'm good.
So
Me
go on,
I do it,
look, brother, we don't come here for waste time.
Yes, Daddy.
Brianna,
Daddy?
yeah, me just a check if you're alright.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You study?
Yes, Daddy, that me I do right now.
Okay, good. You alright?
Yeah, me alright. The only thing, you kind of bored as usual, but me alright, man.
Don't worry yourself, man. You just get boring right now. Maybe when you're big enough and everything end up on your own, your life will go so perfect and you will go worry so you're boring. Well, you eat already or something? You consume something if you eat already?
Yes, Daddy.
I'm just check if you're alright. I just carrying some prison and everything, so I go process them now and call you back here.
Alright, Daddy.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
Alright, if anything you call me here.
Alright.
If you not get me a call, station phone.
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, Daddy, over. Come in.
I'm back.
You realize.
Okay. Just me lucky for you, man.
Alright. So, you're on time, though.
Yeah, man, me on time. Ready to study?
Yeah. But you're here now, so. For some reason, though, me.
I still feel nervous. Why? Why you want to do? Why you open the door?
The door have to close, like.
Yeah, we have to push up the door them. Can't lock them. We don't want nobody close puppy and power. So.
This will take long.
No, why not take long? Why you be so scared? Go, alright man. I'm tell you I'm going to take my time and everything. This go alright. I'll just get and do what I do. I'm just going to check back on the door and make sure so they lock. Give me 1 minute. Okay? Let's check. Come here.
Alex, what is?
Just calm down, my brother. Everything gonna be okay. Me and him are gonna knock it, man.
Alex, you're crazy. Who this? Like.
My brother, Brian.
Alex, not what?
Me and him are gonna have sex with me first, but then him after.
Alex, that can't work. You have to go away, Alex. Alex, we don't worry about this. This can't work.
Alright, sorry about that, Brian.
This can't work.
Say it can't work. Come
No,
on.
Alex, let me go.
Come on,
No,
Brian.
me say me not left until me get some.
Come on, brother.
Boy, you hear me say, step pop out the knife.
Sorry.
Boy, me say pop out the knife. Me not left till me get some of this boy. Yo!
Alex, really? I say this there, Alex.
Hey boy, me don't tell say if you ever make me feel, you know, boy. Never shot you, you know.
Sorry, but she said she don't want to.
Boy, you see a plan A that. A plan B we are going to my boy. Girl, leave us. You know what?
Alex.
Yo, turn your wallet, so. Yo,
Alex, please.
hey girl, tap your light and put on the roots.
Alex, please.
Yo, relax, Alex. Brother, hold on. Don't take peace. Me? Boy, you never take peace.
I'm Chelsea.
A lot of dangerous. You go and breathe and let Alex Figo do wrong. Always give them right, always give them wrong. Omar need justice for his daughter. Auntie Chelsea need justice for her.
Why me? Why me? Auntie Chelsea.
Nancy, what's wrong?
Me need you now. Me call daddy.
Alright, what do you?
Me call daddy. I'm not get daddy. But just
Then,
somebody grab me.
somebody what?
Auntie
Here come.
Chelsea, me need you now.
Here come, here come.
They take out my clothes and grab me, Auntie Chelsea.
Brother, I'm tell you the truth, I like to just go on a while ago. I feel guilty, you know. I must say girl father, police and everything, you know, brother.
Alex, let me tell you this.
What's the girl telling father say we do it? Right now, I know she not trust me no more. I know me and her even have a relationship, brother. Me feel guilty.
Relax, Alex. You're a ball, brother. You're a baby.
Me and a baby, brother.
Why you worry about police for? What do you mean when I'm nigga then clock don't want police, bro?
I lie.
Someone ask me a lie, bro. That boy like you eat that, bro. You're a fool. You can't part big brother and I move so shaky, bro. I know we have weapons.
Brother, right now.
Yo, come and show you a pray. One over this. Give me this. Yo, let me tell you this stuff.
Brother, what you do? I must have me a brother, you know.
Let me tell you this, bro. Me no want you to give out no information, bro.
Don't do that.
You see, if nobody asks you, say what happened, where you go say?
I know me and you.
Bro, I'm here in a this, bro. Me and you in a this, bro. Don't tell nobody say we great par, you know, bro.
So, I'm if you tell them saying.
Yo, remember say we mother have links, bro. Nothing can do it. So no give no information cause they would have more to believe we, bro.
So you try to say, true, she kind of nerdish if you go tell them say we do it.
You're blind.
Or she give it.
You're blind. What you must say?
Or she give it.
Bro, I say if you ever give out no information or make no police look for me, bro.
Brother, I say me and your brother say now we pull in the department.
Bro, your life depend this, you know, bro. If you make we get caught, you know, bro.
You know, say nothing.
Bro, make sure you zip that, bro. Remember, say we are family, you know. So if you look out for each
That's
other,
why you
bro.
if you pull them the department.
Yo, let me tell you this, bro. She a nerd, you know, bro.
Brother, me never want to eat, you know. I never want to
Bro,
eat. It doesn't feel good in myself, but you force me.
All in father, bro. I go the nerd there now. Remember, say we have this, you know, bro.
Remember, say you have it, me not have it.
Bro, so you feel say me go have this and I protect you, bro?
Anything I say alone, brother. Anything I say alone.
Bro, we are family, dog. Nothing wrong if people ask to say, yo, what go on, bro.
And just tell them, say,
yo,
she give it. Alright, brother.
Yo, homie did say if you go look something for eat, you know. And you go a shop do, you know.
Alright, go on.
Come on.
Auntie Chelsea! Auntie Chelsea! Are you? Auntie Chelsea, are you alone out there?
Yes, I'm alone out here, Minis. Open the door. Please open the door.
Auntie Chelsea, are you sure?
I'm me alone, Minis. Open the door. Minis, Jesus Christ. Come here. Where's the den? Where's the What do you? What did you do, Minis? Tell me what did you do? Jesus Christ. Just your father today I gotta work, you know, me tell him say me I come up here. Y'all call him and tell him what you said and do you. Brother in the ear and I'm coming in service vehicle. Me needs tell me what happened to you. What did you do?
Chelsea. Great up, Auntie Chelsea.
Jesus Christ. Brother.
Want your baby? Who do this? Who do this to my daughter?
Alex. Alex.
Who name Alex?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
I need brother.
Christ. They use protection, brother. You know
Where him live? My daughter, where live?
Brother, calm down, brother. We have to carry her to hospital. We can't even that later, brother. She have to go to hospital.
Come on, my daughter. Take your time.
Okay. That is the best.
See, they're almost night now. I know my boy I can reach my yard. You know, we're in this so long. They know me not like when they live on the road so late.
Come
Where I come from?
Steven.
For evening you left out here. You left for money boy you gonna check girlfriend. And you left how long? Say you wanna so come back and what happened? You remember your mother?
You remember your mommy?
Of course.
As a matter of fact, well, your girlfriend me you see I've done the road. You have a girlfriend and it look like you know space say yeah. You're gonna be one good mother-in-law for your car come make she meet me. Can girl come and me see girl?
Yeah, make she meet us.
No, mommy. No.
Why?
No, make she come over here.
What you mean by?
The girl don't look good. She ugly. You say the girl black and fair and cow.
Well, if she ugly, me don't want an ugly girl over here.
You know, say the girl ugly. I don't like ugly girl.
I remember. She talk.
You know what kind of girl that you got to take up Alex, bro? Me shame on you, bro.
So you smell so like you know come from some whorehouse or something.
No, mommy, nothing like that, man. A ball ground we go there play ball, man. Not like that, man.
Salah the boy a while ago. File him and everything like a Messi.
My friends, man, I'm gonna be there for something, man. And next time when you left the yard, let me know you're there. You know, say you know, for me, I have to have no back on. You see, people wouldn't like you already. Everything, Alex and Brian, like say, for me, two people them alone can do things.
Now, go be there for ball ground.
Oh, yeah, now move too fast. Calm down. I want to talk to you about something.
Yes,
How you know the on the road, pee, clock. And then how you can't tell me but the policeman get shot out of there.
Oh, Brian, did that tell me saying it?
Me, don't mention me name. Me tell you, well, me tell her that. At first, me I hear that boy, you come, hey boy, I see you boy. Me tell her that.
I think you did that. I mean, he made it here with him, mommy. I flip up the name, man. No, man, up on the road, me that year, some policeman get shot for true.
Oh. Come and think, I wonder how, so you never hear?
Mommy, when we turn from here, mommy? Me a what? You take me a Popeye's news link or me a one spot?
Oh, you watch your mouth. Remember who you deal with? You forgot to say your mama you deal with about Popeye's new link. Man, you chat to me too. You hear? Move from here, so to man. Move.
Boy. Me go be it, mommy.
Move up, man. You must feel that you get bigger now up in the age, you know, man.
Boy, you know say you not here, boy. All it teach me, I teach you, you not learn.
I'm every time you know, so you know, say I big and never deal with me some way you.
Yeah, girl. How you feel, man?
No, man, boy, my brother ask me if me how, man.
Hey, boy, my back set. Go and go wash up your plate, them. Yo, you feel like y'all be before me? Go and go wash your plate, them. Go all that fresh. Yeah, me need that.
Justice for my daughter. A lot of dangerous. Get one Brian left. Alex Vigo. Do wrong the mother. Always give them right. All when them wrong. But Omar need justice for his daughter. Auntie Chelsea need justice for her needs.
Brother, I'm throwing you that in the place. Brother, I'm so proud of you. Brother, I know you, know. I'm in the sorry reason my niece. I know your daughter and take this light. She have a lot of going down and she doors off. So I say I come outside, come talk to you. Because I have a reason you and she not too. You see me? She not want no means really, but I know she will go through some things right now. I don't want to do for her as an auntie, but you're my brother and I want to reason with you about something. I'm glad she fall asleep. You know what I say? You go try to find for your own law. Because the court system fail you.
Sis.
As a police officer. My brother just hear me out. The court system fail you as an officer. You understand? And I know how you feel. I have an idea. I can just imagine how you feel. Right? Right now we have to watch her closely. See? All what you have to do, I look on your face alone tell me everything, you know. I know say you go want to take up justice in your own hand. And my brother, I beg you, please, I don't want you to do that. I know I don't want you to take up justice in your hand. You cannot take up justice in your hand. The law are the law, my brother. And even though we fight and the system fail, we just allow the Lord to take the law to take its course.
Sis, I ask you a question. Why make sense I pray to Father God and I go to church? But when you're in a problem, Father God can't help you.
Me just say just allow the Lord and the law to take its own course, my brother. Things takes time. Me know say you don't feel comfortable about it. Me worse don't feel comfortable about it. But at the same time, sit there now, Richie try to analyze herself more than one, more than 2 times. The best thing we can do right now is try to comfort her the best way possible. And try to stay close and stick closer to her.
Me cannot go work because me have to pay attention to my daughter. Me a what? Me a police. Me a lawman.
Yes.
And me a look for the law. Me a look for the system to protect me. Not because I'm right or I'm wrong, but just because serve justice. And you want to tell me, say, the court system I go through the case and tell me and my daughter make we know say them not have enough exhibit 1 or 2.
My brother.
If you can lock up, then 2 brother there. We grape my daughter more than 1 time in my house. And you go tell me if you put my trust in the system, in the police force, the only trust when I put in myself right now.
Brother.
I just my gun.
Brother, no. No. Me know how you feel. And me can't tell you, because you're my brother, me know you. And me know say you want to take up your line in your own hand, but me I beg you, please, my brother, not do that. Me don't want you get yourself in a trouble and end up you have to go left way. If you have to get yourself involved in some kind of, what you think are going to happen?
Chelsea, you hear me? The law protect and serve.
Yes, the law is supposed to protect and
Me
serve.
can't sit down and wait upon the system to serve my daughter. My daughter have a father, I know him not know a mother. And I have to protect my daughter. If the system can't help me, then me have to help myself.
Brother.
To protect and serve.
Brother.
I did, Oma.
Officer, you're on. I'll go my father.
Yeah, man, so I come get a check.
You know, say no
Good
disrespect.
evening, good evening.
Oh, sorry. Already me know you know my sister Chelsea. Chelsea, Officer Brown. Officer Brown, my sister. Sis, hear what me I say. Don't stay far from my daughter. And your niece, just go back at your panel. Please, me I beg you. Me I talk to my father. Yeah.
Brother, I really just calm down and go easy. I beg you as a sister, just believe. It will work out itself in time, my brother.
You what me I say now? Around a month now, a whole incident happened. You are the first police from now at the station, from the unit to come give me a check. The rest of the police them call me. But you don't even know what you do for me right now. You can't link me. You see me?
Bro.
Me nah cut you. See next thing too. Me as a policeman, I depend the community. I depend on we if you serve and protect. You understand? My daughter depend on me. And me I depend on the system to send then you to go to prison. And then show the case and I go tell me. So they don't have enough evidence. We send up the 2 youth them. And my daughter say yes and point them out.
Come on, me and you know said that a lie, totally lie. Because whole heap of evidence did it, back to front. Show say yo, the youth then guilty. I just president it for God a day there. And me don't know what happened.
You know what happened?
But me explain to you, because I make 2 links, you know. You see the mother of the 2 boy them.
The big fat woman.
Yes. She did an old whore back in the days. She did run a whore house
What you say to me?
all like police the bridging them they used to go.
I know so the first time the woman come a court in think over her eye, she just a staring at my face. Me feel like one bust a shot in her face. But me still have to do up on my best behavior.
I tell you, she have strong link in the police force. All what day one of my friend them tell me say, then see she with the commissioner of police. She have strong link. So that's why the case get through out. Because me I say, oh, so much evidence come across. And the youth them not go to jail, youth.
You know what hurt me? You know what hurt me, youth? The 2 youth them grape my daughter in my house, in my city. How me I go live with that? How me I go face my daughter as a policeman? And I go tell my daughter say everything I go alright and deep down inside.
Man,
Then violate my daughter, youth. And you go tell me if you go depend on police to send man to prison or serve justice.
Come on. You know where me stay. 3-4 of them me carry for me at daytime. So me I tell you this. Anything you depend me depend. And me run some link and me get the boy them picture. So me I tell you say anyhow me see them, a duff cat them a go.
Mr. Brown.
Duff cat.
Me thank you for everything. If you need to come check me, did it with me.
Bro, me never can tell you say me know how you feel because the pain is unbelievable right now.
Mr. Brown, 3 to 4 times my daughter try to take her own life. My daughter try to hang. Me can't keep a kitchen knife them in the kitchen. Me can't keep my firearm around me. Anything we around her as weapon or tool, bleach, none of them things me can't keep around her. Cause she try to end her life how much time. Me have to watch my daughter. Me can't go to work. My sister have to over here day by day. So you know when me I go through.
That just traumatizing, dude.
But anyhow, still my father. As I say, I'm real glad. I'm really thankful you can show me some respect and love. Anything I make you know what I want.
Yeah, me say me take for come check in about it too. Me get a little bit tired with some things. I can't wash me just come from. And me say me have to check you. You see me?
You know what you do for me? I kind of run out of legal possession of firearm. Me give all of the bad man them whenever have one, me give them it. I never remember to take you back off of them. So see if you can get 2 legal possession of firearm for me.
I do right, man.
I'll make me know what I want.
I look for you boy them tonight, you know.
You're up on duty tonight?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm just going to spend some time with my daughter because I don't want she hurt herself.
Just go and do that fear, bro. Even though you hurt, see me. Just go and throw up a little smile for you.
Alright, thanks, man. Hear that?
You can.
As what you tell me, say, the woman have some link over station. So you need to link me and me need to see you.
Active.
I love you. But,
You talk to your panic. Stop it crying. Just come check for you. My father did outside and just gone on the road and deal with something.
Get the chance I just can't do this no more. I feel like I want to live no more.
That's right. No bother with that. Don't you ever say that. You know what I'm saying? Not say that. There's way more to life, bro. You have to understand what you're saying. You cannot do that.
What happened?
I don't even feel like I want to live no more. That even keep on have flashbacks.
Alright, calm down. Let me talk to you now. Listen to auntie.
Listen. You look a flashback where you have. So you look a flashback where you have. Basically, when situation and things like that may happen, this is what kind of body for a minute or 2. You know, like when you drink something and you feel bad and you vomit, so you soon vomit up back this. But I promise you, Daddy promise you, I'm sorry, so I never did you feel. Really sorry, my daughter. But I promise you, Daddy now going to leave you again, Daddy now going to leave your side again. And one thing I can tell you, it's like how me and you, Auntie Chelsea, put the trust in the system, in the courthouse, and you feel with. When you look for me, as long as me live, Daddy now will feel you. But we just make sure say you good. You understand? And listen me, you try to take your life 1, 2, 3 times, and it not happen. You know, say God have great things out there for me and you. You understand me, daughter? No worry about that, man. Me and auntie there if you just care through this. You know where you go through. You understand? So then 2 you they will do it. For them time soon come here. Yes, so rain and fall from here, all stop now. So just catch water, map out and sweep out it. Till one day, you know your heart about joy. For them time soon come here. I love me daughter here.
Go alright, I will love you here. Then I'm going through this by yourself. By your father there for you. Now you have to understand how I just said to you. But there for you where you go through this. You're not going through this by yourself. We are left with God. We are praying about it and we are left with Almighty. I'm just saying, everything will happen in due time. Just relax and just give God some time to deal with us. Trust the process. Just trust the process.
Alright, calm down. I want them, brother. You go alright. Alright, Liz. One day at a time, you go alright. You'll get over this. Just trust me.
Why? My grandson get over with a court case there. I still ain't sure they stress me out.
That stress me out, mommy. I never really like that, because I feel when I go in the streets, people are talk about me and my brother a graper.
I never like it. I want to see them feel telling something about my pitney. Because you know, come down when you come and do you it for one. Because I know say I must get a little big belly girl they go on and then she probably not like it or whatever she talks say a grape. Nothing but that. But a good things me have my links them I'm telling them to sit back and make me pull my strings them. Else it would quash. Probably when I end up behind bars and miss hey, when I go for that girl there.
The link not really work out good enough. Because we get where 5 case and walk with scratch free.
Yes, scratch free. I don't know scratch for the panel I pick them. Alex, look for me good. Remember say me a old keggereg for a long time, you know. Me no ramp when you come on to you and Brian now. Me a dress the belt long time, me no play. Oh. So of course you not forget with scratch free. I want to ask you one question. You know, I'm picking it up, I know. I want to ask you one question because you know, for me, you know.
Yeah, mommy.
I know you stay, I know how you stay, Brian. So, you do it for true?
No.
Me I chat to you. Alex, me I chat to you, little brother, me not chat to you.
Mommy, I tell you the truth, mommy, because I can't hold this no longer. I have to tell you the truth. We do it for true.
Boy, shut up. We who? Me do nothing.
Of course, I'm here your grape, Brian.
Brian.
Do what?
Listen to me, shut your mouth. Me say no, you me a chat to. Alex, me a chat to.
Alright, mommy, you see, Brianna, which is the girl that me and Brian griff.
Brian, who name Brian? Which Brian?
You come like you not see me.
But
Me
mommy,
invisible.
Alexa tell like
Shut up.
me.
He not tell no lie. Truth him a tell me. Shut your beak.
If you talk the truth, because you listen to his story, mommy, you can't understand what's going on. Because you was surprised, mommy. You know, say as me say, Brianna was my girlfriend. And me and Brianna the whole long. And she a hold me out from me and her no have no sex because she said she a virgin and she no want to do them something and she no want to let down her father and everything. And I go over there one day and me and her talk. And me a kind of convince her and tell her say a long time she a hold me out. And she tell me say alright then me a think about it when me can have sex. Me feel so good. I can't tell my brother. And me I tell my brother, and he even did a cuss me and I say how long me there that the girl and me not a sexy girl. Until my brother did it now and while me and him did a talk, a brainer that call me and I tell me say she think about it. And I tell me say me feel forward over there in the next half hour so we have sex. And then Brian him now, all they tell me say and me and him I go have sex with Brianna.
Me?
And that you tell me. So me I go
Mommy,
first.
I believe that.
And then him I go
me no
after.
put nothing past you.
You know
You
what
feel me? I me raise you.
He give me rum out there so and he throw pear rum in night and a little bit of chaser. So me did hand and me look rum mommy. And me feel high. Me never too know me I do. Brian all pull gun for me and give me knife.
Me?
No.
Boy.
Brian.
Alex, me do that.
Oh, you
Brian.
mean?
What me forget going from, mommy?
Tell me the truth for now.
Mommy,
Brian,
what me forget
if you
going
don't tell
from?
me the truth,
Stop in
you know me do you not talk. Just tell the truth.
Mommy, listen mommy.
Me and mama, you know me do anything for you.
Mommy.
Tell me the truth.
Mommy, what me forget? You know say boy I told you that.
Mommy.
You see that for me, tell me lie.
If you offer that to
Go on
mommy,
there. You, where you get gun from? You not tell me.
tell mommy where you get it from. I want to know too.
Where me forget going from, mommy?
Me say, you see, if you not tell me where you get it from today, me mash you up it. Look boy, don't test me feelings.
Alright. Me I'll tell you the truth, mommy, because you know me not hide things from you.
Just talk.
I want my brethren them gun. I see him gun where they shoot the policeman 2 months ago.
Jeez.
I
Look boy,
mommy.
you tell me still don't know nothing about it.
You see some
Why
alive
you
mommy?
tell me still don't know nothing about it? Alright,
Are we after me?
hold on, pause, no pause. Back to you, Miss Woody with you. What you say
Yes,
now?
mommy. And me say after that, and he give me rum with drink and everything. And me never into it, you know, mommy. And he convince me, you know. I'll put gun for me and tell me, so me better do it, you know. Everything will shot me, you know. And then come tell you, say, somebody rob me and kill me. And that he tell me say. And then when we go over there, mommy, he send me if you go in a brain father house first. And I'm going to mommy, me never want to do it, you know. And when I go in there and then after me act like me lock the door. So him can't come in and he said him come in, mommy, Brianna frightened. And Brianna said she no depend on this. And me I tell Brian say come on, me will go. And Brianna tell me say I left. If you do it, and me I talk and me I get traumatized. Me not like that about the mommy.
Yeah, get traumatized after you do it.
I say Brian force me, you know.
Force if you do what? Nobody can force if you do nothing when you want to do.
And you will gun for me, mommy, I say more kill me.
You see, you will gun for your brother. Don't worry yourself.
No, well, no.
Me so deal with it, don't worry yourself.
In the junk.
Who came from?
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Me so deal with you. Listen to me now. You see this way you just tell me? It no happen.
What do you mean it no happen?
It no happen. You idiot.
Oh, you know.
Me say it no happen. Family, if you pick up for family, and me I go pick up for my pity them. No pick up for nobody about your family members them. You have your brother back, your brother have your back. You understand me I say? This not happen. You see when me come get to after a case already, none of this not happen. Suppose me link there at all. Suppose me there know enough man.
Brother, father, police.
Me no business about that. What me say no do?
No.
It no happen.
Well, Alex, you want...
Hello, shut them out. Me so can't deal with it now. You don't get to find for me and go on there so. Me I call a policeman right now. Cause you poof. You see you? Me so can't deal with your case. Boy, I will gun for your brother. You?
Everything Alex say, I believe me.
Cause me no know your turn.
No, daddy there with you. All the way I got you. I'm just sorry say I can't turn back the hands on time, but now I'm there with you. From you can see right now, I never got work. Come just want you find back yourself. I know say what happened to you and what you got through, that I will follow you for the rest of your life. Every time you're looking at the mirror, every time you drive, go down the road when I get big, every time you're in a relationship, this will follow you. But as long as you have a father yourself and Father God, right now, to tell you the honest truth, if you believe in a Father God, me not think me believe in a Father God right now. I don't know if my work too slow, just like the system, just like the court. But then you know Daddy there for you. Daddy. Take your time and talk to me.
I just feel paranoid. Like every time I close my eye and I try to sleep, everything just come before me.
Everything was a flashback.
Yeah, like me I have flashbacks of that day, Daddy.
Alright.
It's like I'm afraid to sleep. Right now, me all day in here, so me just feel one type of way, but and you know the worst thing, Daddy? My friend them a call them on my phone, Daddy. And me don't know how to answer them, me don't know what to say. You know, so this morning I check my Instagram and two girls at school way from campus, so me and them not get along, they hear about it. And if you ever see the text them when them send me, I say my father police and can't do nothing about what happened and how me get raped. But me just
You are going, I'm going to answer your question then. Your friend name say your father police.
I know my friend name Daddy yet.
Alright, just word speaking. The negative then say your father police. And you can't, and your father cannot do nothing about it, right? You see the rain fall sometime and you wonder who fall rain, but you know it's our father God. But sometimes you hear some crime or something going and you see it on you, but you don't know how to do it. So I just try to say that things are on time. You understand? Because just like how things go on, you don't know what happened. So don't worry about that. You see your friend them and your friend them. Things have happened for you now, so them never with you. You see the comment, you have negative and positive. You see me? So the negative will come out on the positive.
Anyway, remember to tell us, you call your auntie. Come on, go up on the road. Go see if.
Mama, let me see how you feel. Alright?
Thanks, here. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, look alright.
Come on, go up on the road. Go
Sure,
see if.
come on.
Can't make certain.
And you see
Sort
how
out
you're
the
going.
thing. So your auntie over there feel. And it's been a while now when I see you try to analyze yourself. I'm kind of like that. You know, we feel like you come focus more. Just left everything man. Time and God here. And just know so daddy love you, auntie love you. So just bear with me up on the road and come back. The auntie over there, like your eye on you. Because remember the doctor said, if you not leave you close, not for a minute or a second. You see me? So me soon come. Here. Chelsea, please, yeah, eye on eye here. And one more thing, some stuff in the kitchen, some food stuff. You never get feel about something she eat. So let's see if you can prepare the cooking. She will say she don't want it, but make she eat or drink some tea and drink some juice here. Yeah, man. So come here. Alright.
Listen, you go alright. Just believe. A time on God here. Just believe. I'll be there for you. Alright, brother. Hurry up, go do it and come back. I'm just feeling, you know.
Daddy, love your hair.
Love you, my daughter, here. Alright.
I'll prepare some food here. I want juice first and I want the food with the juice.
I don't want no food, auntie.
You have to eat these. You have to eat some. If I have, alright, you want fruits? We buy some fruits and if you have to chew. You did eat them? You're going to the kitchen, go prepare for you, right? I'm going to get what you want and prepare and come. Right?
You change my mind, Auntie Chelsea.
I'm going to change your mind.
I don't want no fruits.
What do you want?
Look about the food.
You want the food? You're sure?
Yes, Auntie.
And the juice?
Yes, Auntie.
Alright, good. You look out for you. You're going to the bathroom. Use the bathroom and fresh up a little bit. And then we'll order the food for you, right?
Yes, Auntie.
Alright. We soon come, you know. Remember, somebody there with you. Look, you hear me? Soon come.
And Auntie Chelsea.
Yes? What?
I love you and Daddy here.
Look at your niece. We love you too. Always remember that. You understand what I say? And worry yourself to go get over this. Thank you, love you.
I love you.
I'm going to have bathroom when they want to fix some food. We soon come.
Justice for my daughter. A lot of dangerous. Get one Brian left. Alex Figo. Do wrong the mother. Always give them right. All when them wrong. But Omar need justice for his daughter. Auntie Chelsea need justice for her needs.
Listen to me, I want to talk to you and Alex about something, you know. How where Alex in there?
Call out Alex!
You come like you piss your bed or something, you know. We are talk to something.
So Alex, me I call mommy.
Where you call me for?
Go, mommy.
And me call you. Me call you.
Sorry, mummy.
Why? Are you bigger brother? I remember say you bigger brother. Have like your manners.
I can't stand him sometime, man. Sometimes Brian does not.
Me no fight. Me no want to hear it. I'm coming like a some 6-year-old. But me really want to talk to us about, you know. Me need to stay off the road.
How
Cause
I go on,
me hear someone dirty policeman, one copper color policeman when you Mr. Brown and look for him hard, you know.
Liar to you.
You see the same thing when I tell you?
Shut up.
Sorry,
Want to stay in. Cause the policeman didn't know who me be, you know.
So mommy.
You know, say in color we get more copper, you know.
He must be a friend. My brother and father friend.
I don't know, but
So
his
he
name is
never come look for
Brown.
himself.
I mean, say I look for Uno. I mean, say if the police don't make a string down there, that
Same thing me tell you.
No, you're too
me tell you
proud,
so we are
man.
getting in a problem and you see you would.
Relax, man. You girl.
you get no problem.
Then the moment if the policeman and look for him and look for you if you do.
What the things you cannot look for? You know, for be that the situation there. Yeah, big man, yeah, no, yeah, wear panty.
Me nah wear panty, but me have to fear for my life.
Fear for which?
Me nah
And your
want-
mama
I
hand
don't
down can't happen to you.
Why
We are worried.
So that's already.
everything too good and you know good, you know. If the police but me alone on the road.
That's why I say pan in the yard.
What can save me, mommy?
Can't come here and do nothing. Pan in the yard. That me say. And you, me know you love rum, you know. I love smoke, you know. Let me catch you up.
I love the girl, them. They set you up.
Boy, you chat too much. You see, say my trouble because me.
Sorry, man.
Why? I don't know what me get.
Alright.
No longer have no manners to me. No respect for me. No longer.
So, mommy, me not always have respect for you.
Look here, get up outside and go on in your room. Find a room, find a boundary.
Yo, me don't tell you.
And me say if me not come out here and see our one box, no road.
But veranda me there, mommy, top deal me like me a lily pit.
You so know. You don't get me now.
Brianna, Nisi. Brianna, Nisi. Jesus, Nisi. Brianna, wake up here. Brianna, Jesus Christ. Help! Somebody help me! Brianna!
You guys made it to the end of this movie and you have just done watch Justice for My Daughter. Big up on yourself, people, and continue to share movie them because we are going to put in the work so you can watch them and have a laugh. But same thing when I represent for you don't know say a Black Hyena. And as you did watch the intro, I call them big it up, but Puppet and they are big up Black Hyena. You understand? But now me they represent for Black Hyena music. You understand? And then the recording, podcast, I don't know so the studio in the Bronx. You understand? And them have the best sound style, the best quality. You understand? So remember, you can book them. And the number they right here on the screen, and that's 718-652-6761. And remember, people, that's the contact number where you can contact Black Hyena Music Production. And as I said, people, they're located in a 3992 White Plains Road, and that's Bronx, New York. You understand? So now just link up Black Hyena. And people, same time me represent same way because of different business they have. I represent for Black Hyena clothing. You understand? And them have the bad fashion thing them over there. So you understand? And them have whole heap of outfit. As the coloring book said, them have the bad tam. As you can see one right here. So the Black Hyena tam this. You understand? And them have the bad shoes and the bad kicks them. Them have the bad jacket. Them have the bad shoes. You understand? That a Black Hyena clothing. And the contact number, people, is 718-813-5792. You understand? I remember, people, as me said, Black Hyena is a whole heap of different brand. And right here, them have the Kingston Cut Barber Shop. You understand? And that is located in Bronx also. So now just go and support the thing, people. Make them know say a Puppet and telling us if you give them a call. And remember, with the promotion, you understand? So if you want any promotion to promote a business at all, the number will be on the screen. 7992758. That's Puppet and number. And 9995290. That is coloring book number. So the number is going to be on the screen. And remember, it's only for business only. So big up on yourself and thanks for watching your movie.